Check, check, check. Good morning, everyone. Power on. Here we go. Okay, it's 6:52 in the morning Pacific time, and let's check New York time really quick. It's 9:52. Is it really 9:52? Really 9:52? So I have to be early then because the market already started at 9:52. I mean at 9. So I'm pretty much late, bro. So anyhow, let's get started. Try face again. Here we go. So yesterday, a little bit of history from yesterday. We have um, yesterday's realized profit. So I made um, for July 20, I got $6. Another July 20 for SPY short Iron Condor, $18. And another short Iron Condor for XSP this time for $6, and SPY a short Iron Condor. So these are all the um. Oh, wait a second. It's actually blocking. All right. Let me just go that put that up. Put that in here. So these are the yo. What's up? These are good morning. These are the trades that I made yesterday. Actually, we are actually late in Pacific time because I just realized today that New York is already 9:50. That is kind of late though. That was not well, yeah. There you go. These are the July 20 trades that I uh you said I'm going to miss you, man. Next year you won't be the same. I mean, I'll still be doing that. Yeah. And anyway, yeah, thank you so much for that. Hey, uh, I'll be back soon. But for the meantime, I'm just doing my trading. I'm still around. I'm still in San Francisco Bay Area. I'll still be here. Of course, this is my residence. Anyway, speaking back, going back. So I just realized actually when I checked the world clock, it's already 9:55 and 5 minutes to 10 in New York. That's kind of like late though. I should have woke up early in that case. But anyway, let's just do the trading. Let's just do the trading per se. Okay. So let's go back to that one. So right now I have um three open positions, SPY, but these as you can see, the expiration for this are 7:29. These are my buffers. When I say my buffers is these are the open trades that I made just in case I made some significant losses on the regular zero DTE trades. Zero DTE means 0 day expiration. Then it would be covered up um, by this 7:29. So is that right? Is New York time already like close to 10 in the morning? Wow, wow, I never realized that. So anyway, I have three pending orders. These are limit orders, meaning to say they will automatically close when the market, say for example, SPY right now. On this position, I'm already making $4 for this, as you can see, $4, but that's not my target. My target's about 20%. Right now, it's already on the 10%. So 20%, that would be like only $8. Yeah, okay, we can't be greedy though. All right, we can't be greedy. If you do, I mean, that would be difficult. So if we open up the options analyzer, if we are on the green side, usually it will go up green as you go. Okay, F option today down. I don't do trades on that one, but anyway, that's fine. So I have these two, and I have a total of $8 on like profit, but I'm not closing that yet. That's not my target. My target is 20% right now. It's going in between 10 to 11%, somewhere on that range, but I am not closing to that one. That's way too early. Right now it's like $3, 7.5%. That's way too early. So let's try to open up a um, let's try to open up a let's go check. Let me go check the market today, guys. um, I'm using trading view for my market, for my analysis. And right now I should have like, okay, open my super chart, SPY or SPDR 733. This is correct. Okay. Okay. It looks like if you look at SPY, the market is kind of a little bit stable. SPY. If you look at SPY, you guys, okay. And on my chart I have the Bollinger Band or the BB, which already provides you with the information as to the lower band and the higher band, and we can trade in between those two bands. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now at the week. So we can actually trade on the highest and the lowest as the range for that one. And let me see what is I. It doesn't show the on my iPhone, so I always have my my chart on my screen right now. So this is on my screen, okay, and this is where I'm going to trade. So let's do it. Let's do it, and let's put SPY. Let's put SPY. There you go. And then we do trades, and we put in trade options, and then we go today. All right, for today. You know what? I can the price right now is 745. So let's right now it's buy call. We don't do that because we're doing Iron Condor, and we have to do you can actually do sell call first. So let's do sell and then put, and let's look for 83%. This one is good. So I'll add this one here, 742 strike price. Let me do that. And then I go buy put at the 741 price. And then now we go call. We do the call position, sell call at 80%. It's going up. Okay. That's pretty tricky. And let me see what is the delta. This 23 delta. That's a little bit high. Okay. How about I do this one here? That is 87, and then I'll do the buy on this one here, and let's hit continue. I will have a credit of $22, and let's do three contracts for this one, and that's 68 total profit if I'm going to be successful, but I will only do like 20% of the 68. So review, let's hit review, and you can actually swipe up and let us wait for the market to okay, it's closed now. I mean, not closed, so it's already realized. So I have three of three quantity. So let's hit done, and then we go on my end. I like to do let's put trade in here, trade options. Nope, sorry. Let's go to that one. Let's see where should that be right now. All right, three. Okay, I took $300 collateral. So again, I'm only exposing out of my $49,000. I'm only putting a little bit of that, say $1,000 of that, of the 49, just to protect myself, guys. We can't be greedy though. As long as you make like 50 to 100 bucks a day, it's fine. So I'm out of $49,000. I am only exposing about 1,300 right now. Okay, it actually started with 1,000, so right now I already made like more than $300. So I'm hoping that the market would be on my side. So I'll make 400 today, 1,400 today, and keep going up. So the buying power I put right now, because I just used 300 for collateral, so it's on only like 700. So can as you can see, I only exposed $1,000. That's only like what, like five, $1,000 of 50,000. That's 1% or 2%, right? That's that's how conservative I am in my trading. I can't be greedy though. I can do more. Okay, but we can't be greedy, guys. So I have a position, three Iron Condors, so 742 and 749 strike prices. So what I'm going to do is to put up my limit close. So I'm going to close this at a certain price. Oh, wait, let's go back. So the credit, it says here, the credit that I'm going to get, check this out, is at 23 cents. So that's $23. That's the most credit that I would get. Though it says there $68. Well, I can't be greedy again. We can't be greedy. We can't be doing like, looking for 60 to $80 for that one. But instead, would only settle for 23 bucks. That's like 23 cents. But again, not that. So 23, let's just use 20% of that 23. Um, 23 times 20%, that would be like 0.046. That's not a lot, but it's good. So 0.23 times, I would put 80%, guys, because 80%, 100 minus 80, that's 20%, and that goes to me. So that's 1.184. So what I'm gonna do is I put a trade in there, and then put a close, and I put that limit at 0.018. That's good enough, and I will have three contracts for that one. So I would probably make about um uh how much? 54 minus, what was that, 80, 60. So I'll probably make about 10 bucks, right? So that's not a lot, but at least it's not a loss. Let's review and then hit submit. There you go. Sending order. There you go. And I'll click done. All right. That would cost me 54 bucks. That would cost me 54 out of my 60 plus. So 23.23. No, no, no. 23 times 3, that's recon, that's 69, minus 54, because that's the 54 is the cost, and that would leave me $15 for that one. If the market goes on this direction, hopefully I will be out of the money all the time. I mean, okay, here's the thing with the options. If you there's two, like popular terminologies, phrase actually, in the options trading. There's called in the money, and there's also called out of the money. Like, in the money is that when your trade is already about to get assigned. So you will be assigned, and once you get assigned, you will either lose money, or either you would own the uh, the shares of stocks you intend to buy. So you are in the money. At the end of the day, if you are in the money, you are technically losing. So we can't be we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. Like if you are in the money, like we are not hoping. These are the pending orders. I have four pending orders in here. All right. And these are the positions that I hold. First off, I have 742 and 749 strike prices and using the strategy called the Iron Condor. So, Iron Condor is very popular in the options in the spread trading, especially with those with the professionals. And why I use that, why I use Iron Condor, it's just the popular one. I don't need to like reinvent the whole wheel, the circular uh, shape of the wheel. I can't reinvent a triangular wheel or octagonal wheel. It depends on the situation. Actually, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, Iron Condor is popular, and it's what most professional traders are doing, other than covered call and the cash secured put. Okay, Iron Condor is a level 3 trading strategy, meaning to say you have to be approved by the broker before you can actually do Iron Condors. Okay, there's also like an Iron Butterfly, but I'm not. I'm always on the bullish side, but Butterfly, like Iron Butterfly is good, but it's not as popular because Iron Butterflies are usually you end up like in the debit side, meaning to say, on the debit side, you end up paying it first. Unlike Iron Condor, you are getting a credit, and we're not that rich. We are not that. We don't have that so much uh, capital for us to do. But I can do Iron Butterfly, but I'm not really comfortable. I'm not a neck. I don't say I am familiar with. Uh, I don't have that much experience with doing the Iron Butterflies, but it's the same concept with the Iron Condors. And for me, Iron Condor is just way um, convenient for me to use. Strategy that's easy for me to use. So as you can see, I have four Iron Condors right now. There you go. I have two for XSP, SPY. These are my two popular um, tools that I trade, SPY and XSP. And also for buying for the stocks, I like to buy of the AMPX because I'm thinking about Arduino and no, not Arduino, Anduril. Anduril. Okay, if you're familiar with Anduril, check this out. But they are not actually open up in the. They don't have any IPOs yet. They haven't gone IPOs yet. The Anduril, but the batteries they use is probably from the AMPX, which is the Amperius. So this is not a financial advice. It's just on me that I owns some of the shares. And I only have like one share of SPCX or SpaceX. I'm not a big fan of owning like stocks. I am better off with owning ETF. ETF, just like way to go. Okay, so I have this. Uh, these are the positions that I have. We'll just wait. It's a waiting game. That's what trading is. It's kind of like a waiting game. Right, so let me move this one in here now, so where I can move, and now I can put that in there, and I can actually like move this up, my positions. There you go. Actually, it's a lot better for it to be on the top. Yeah. Okay, there you go. And maybe this one at the very top, live trading with Robinhood, which is I am doing right now. All right, there you go. It's better. It can show um, my positions. So I have four positions right now. Now, what happened? The today's it's 7:21 today. Let's see what's going on. There you go, 0 0. It's not I'm hoping that the if you look at in here now, theta is 0.24. I'm hoping that the theta goes down, it's like an ice. The if the theta goes down on my end because I'm doing Iron Condor, then I would be making money for that one. Theta is like an ice. Like, let's compare theta like an ice. Like, as it moves forward, unless you're putting it on a freezer, look at that. The theta is now down 22. It starts to melt. And when it starts to melt, you get the melted water, and that's what your profit is. You're just catching the water. I know that's my analogy. I may be wrong with my analogy, but anyway. So gamma is your enemy. Gamma is the gamma burst. We call it the gamma burst. Like, it happens at almost at the end of the trading day. Like, the end of the trading day for the New York time is usually at the what, like 2 p.m. That's where the gammas are really high. So you can't. That's the very reason why I trade early in the morning. Today I'm actually late today. For real, I'm actually late. When I check out the uh, uh, the trade, the market, when I look at the count, let me see the clock, and New York is already 10:13, and I just traded. I should have traded like New York time, like 7. That's really the ideal one. 7. No, no, I'm sorry, my bad. Like 9. I'm already 1 hour late. So 9 is the ideal trading time. Look, it's already 8.7%. If it hits 20%, it will automatically close. That's for my day trade. Right now, 8.7. I'm already making $6. My theta goes down. So if the theta goes further down, that's good. That's a good thing. And the theta by natural means, it just goes down as it moves towards closer to the end of the market day. Okay, of the day, of the trading day. Oh my goodness. So yeah, and you know what, let us try to check if we're actually going doing good on the other dates. Like 729, I have two Iron Condors. The 729s, these are my buffers. I mean, this I executed this yesterday, but um, I could wait because 9 is like next week. I could wait until, you know what? That's my thing. I can't wait. So when we check this one right over, I already make total return of today's $14. So that is what? Oops. Um, I can actually XSP. Um, XXP 733. Let me cancel that order. Let's go back. It's fast, guys. So I already made $14 for that one. XXP, cancel that one. Positions held SXP 733. Cancel the order. Uh, Canceled for. There you go. And then let's go this one. This is the one. This is my position. And it already made $10. Yes, a while ago it was like 12. Okay, let's trade that one though. Okay, let us, no, 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 not trade. Let's try to close that one. View in options. Already made. And all right. Negative. How many position for that one? I guess it's 2 position though. Close, review, submit. Come on. Okay. What happened? It doesn't prompt me. All right. Why? What's going on? XSP. It's still in there. No one is buying it. I got made 12, view and analyzer. Okay, let's just do it. Um, close. I got two for that review. Okay. Oh, wait a second. I have it on. No. Oh, I still have the pending order. That's XSP. Let me just cancel this really quick. Okay, I canceled that order. I can always redo that, if I need to, if I wanted to. So 733, the pending orders. I'm looking at the pending orders. I have three pending orders, and I have already like four available positions in here. And when I check XSP at 733, this one here, the one in the middle, XSP 733, it's already making me 14 bucks, and I can't be greedy, guys. I'm happy with the 14 right now. Oh, that's already 8. Okay, that's 10. I mean, I can't. I mean, I'm happy with it. Let me just do 2, close that one, review, submit. Let me see. Hit, 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 hit. Mm, it's not taking it because it's on a limit order. Let me see. It's already 13. I'm happy with it. It's for two orders. Man, no, cancel that order. So here's what we can do. Though it's already canceled, here's what I can do. Instead, I'll lower it to 15%. Okay. So how much for the 733761? I will get 0.37 credit for that one. 0.37 times um 85%. I would put 3145. Okay, I'll sell it. Um, trade it at close at I have available two contract at 3.0.31. Okay, review, hit, and then submit. Okay, done. Right, it should close. Oh, one thing I forgot though. I forgot to put the what time should it expire. I mean, yes, I should put it like until I cancel it, but I forgot to do that. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really affect that much. So I have this position, and today's Iron Condor, today, the one that I traded today, 742749 ranges, strike price. And if you can see, I'm already I already made $3 for that one. No, not made. My position is already positive three, meaning to say I have $3 on that one. That's only like 4%, but that's that's low. I mean, 20% is something that um that's good enough for me. 20% profit for the day, 20% profit. That's good enough. And some people would say, you missed the opportunity to hit more. Like maybe, but you also have a bigger risk of not taking it. All right. So I only want 20%. That's 80% chance of winning. And I will stick to that one. I will stick to that thinking of maintaining 80% chance of winning for the day. So I only have 20% to worry about, and 20%, okay, not a lot. And when it hits 20% on my end, positive side, then it will automatically close. That's what it is. Okay, here it goes. Oh, we'll just wait. It's a waiting game. I still have how much I can. I still have 700. I can still like do 200. I don't know, play around with my 200 if I wanted to. And what's the day? 29. I can do 29. I can do 30. Um, the latest for this one is day 29, so I can do. I can trade. I'll trade. I'll open up for day 30. Day 30, like 30 days. That's 9 days from now. Let's try open XSP. XSP is like trade and view all options. And let's just do look at that one there, guys. I'm doing July 30. Okay. Um, July 30 for that one. And then let me see. And on July 30, let's put sell put always for me. I always do that. And I will look for the 80% chance of profit. Of course, it's better. 80% chance of profit right now, 79. That's 80. We just want to hit like 20 delta. Let's see what's delta for this one. Delta is 22. That's way too what? Let's just say 82%. Point. Yeah, this is ideal. So 82%. This one. So 732. I'll put that, and then make a buy position for that at 731. Another leg. That's the next leg, and then let's go to the call and sell call. Third leg. Let's go for the 82% as well. This one here. Sell call for that one and buy for this one. All right, continue, and let's make two contracts for that one. And estimated credit for me would be 72, but making 30 out of 72, like for 30, 20, 20, 30%, I'm good with that one. Let's do review, and then swipe to open the market. So I have two more. Okay, it's fulfilled. It's filled, not fulfilled. Two of two, it's filled. So somebody took it. Somebody took the contract. They probably love it. Okay, now I have that position for what are my positions now? 729. I see this one. This is the one that I just made. 730, July 30. Okay, 730 for two Iron Condors. Yay, Iron Condors. Iron Condors, not the Iron Eagle. Iron Eagle is like the F-16, the movie. Iron Condor. Well, actually, is it F-16's code name Condor? F-16 Condor. Should be like the Iron Condor. Well, it's fine. And for this Iron Condor here at 730, I can actually make a limit position for that one. I'll just do it on my screen, guys. I'll just do it on my screen. It's a lot. 730, here's the 730. I saw it. And my profit average credit for this one is 0.38. Okay. 0.38 times 80%, 0.304. So I'm going to make two contracts for that, and then zero point 0.3 for that, and then good for until I cancel it. Okay, review the orders and then submit. Oh, there we go. So now I will have four on my pending order. Actually, I have five now. One, two, three, four, five on my pending order. Let's see what can happen for the day. Okay, and that's all about it, guys. It's just a waiting game. Yeah, it's a waiting game and making some easy money. Hopefully, it's easy money, but okay. XSP right over here. I already made 10. You know what? Tomorrow, I would probably close it tomorrow. I mean, I still have a lot of time for this one, except for the zero DTE, and the zero DTE is only like 1 day. Oh, wait a second, my zero DTE got closed. I don't have zero. Oh, here. My bad. That made me panic. It's crazy. Okay, making $3 for that one. Okay, crazy, crazy, crazy. Then hopefully would go 493. Let's just say 49,500 plus, hoping to get it. That's that's the amount of money I put in on this particular um, portfolio, not trade, because the rest of it goes to buying like ETF. And my favorite my favorite ETFs are, say for example, I have SCHD. It's a no brainer. uh, SPY or VOO, QQI, QQI, JEPI, and JEPQ. These are my favorite like ETF that I put in. So oh, it doesn't show in here. Okay. It doesn't show. So I only have like 581 left for my buying power. Where's the other one? I use it for collateral. Okay. Oh, you're all caught up options. So it always shows. It's a lot easier when you're using your phone for real. Okay. Did I make something today yet? No, I did not make anything yet. So it's July 20. That was still from yesterday. We'll wait. We'll wait. It's like trading options. That's the same thing as any other trade. It's like you are fishing. No, cast your reel, cast your, we call it reel, I don't know. Uh, Cast it and wait. Okay, sometimes you hit good, and hopefully it will not. Your hook and sinker will not uh get caught on like rocks. Otherwise, that would be a loss. So that's the analogy that I make for it. Okay. 729, 730, 721. I have let's try to check the SPY. SPY two contracts. $2. Nope. Leave it. Another SPY. $1. This is just, oh wait. This one is actually good. I have, this is 13%. 13%. Oh, now it's 10%. 13%. Tomorrow it will be a little bit higher as you go along half of uh the time contracts you have. As you go along the half or 50% of the time you allotted for the expiry date. That's the best time. I mean, for me, that's my best time for me to close any position. I can't go closing at the later part of like 75 to 80% of the trading period. That's where gamma is very high, and that's your enemy. Gamma, you don't want to be Hulk. It's the Hulk on the other side. It's not your Hulk. Your Hulk is your Delta. that's uh that's how it is. Oh me, oh mine. 730. Let's see this one here. Positions held. Oops, 66 market. I have total return of $8. Mm, Wow, it went like 30%. Wow, it should have closed it. Let's just do a waiting game here. 0.34 goes down 0.33, point 0.3, okay, 0.32. If it goes 0.30, I could probably make money for that. 0.3, right? What if I put 0.3? 0.3. Market hours review orders. Oh, available is two. Nope, there's nothing available for that one. And that was for a 729 expiration date. Okay. Um yes, trading it's boring, but you're saving $1.20 total with gold. Ah, you're saving with gold. Okay, I'm not gold. Okay, it's a good one. Doo, 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 doo. 732, 730, 733, 733. This is the one that's really making good. Not yet. You know what? I'll just leave it like that. I'm just. It's a waiting game. At 729, trade close. Okay, I can close it for that. 0.32, 0.34. No, I can't afford to. You wanted 0.33. Okay, 0.49. 0.17. If somebody would take it for 0.16, that'd be great. But I already put it at 0.32 somewhere. For my position, let me see what my positions are. 729, like 733 at 729 in here. A limit price of 0.31. Yeah, that's so close. So close. It's already playing on 0.32 and 0.34, and my limit price here is 0.31, meaning to say it's gonna get sold at 0.31. Man, that is this close, this close, very close, but it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. I'm rooting on that one, my 729. This one right over here, the 729 right below that XSP 733761. July 29 close. Oh, good morning, Diha. Good morning. Good morning, Paul. Kikinig na. Salamat sa panonood, ha. Nood ka pala ng trading natin. Nagtuloy ka naglaro. Mukhang hindi kita nakita. Yeah. Ang bilis na ng bintahan doon. May mga mga anyway. Ay nako, hirap 'yan. Walang net, walang trade, walang ano. Sayang. Sige, tuloy mo lang pag may if you have the time, then why not? Okay. So going back, guys, I have four positions for today. I have one for today, zero expiration date at 7:21, and the rest are 729 or July 29 and July 30 and July 29. So I have three for July 29 and one for July 30. I mean, it doesn't. I take note. I don't have to wait until that day. I can close it today. I can close it tomorrow. The only thing is that it gives me more leverage, more time for me to check how much already I made for that particular trade. So again, when I trade, even though I have 49K in my on this trade, I only expose about $1,300. So like $1,300 for my exposure, meaning to say, if I lose $500, that's nothing. Okay. If I lose, but I will not lose $500. I will gain $100 for today. I mean, nah, not $100. I'm just kidding, guys. I probably would end up for the day. I would probably make about $50 for that one. Again, that's lazy fair unless I have good enough if I start to increase my exposure to two somewhere in the range between $3,000 to $5,000, then I would increase, but the number of my I would increase the number of my contracts to. Thank you for the heart. Yep, thank you so much, Paul. Increase my portfolio to $5,000 or like 5 to 10 contracts. 5 to 10 contracts is like yeah, so right now, we just wanted it to be safe for the sake of our viewers. We just wanted to start like one contract. Always start with one contract, and then eventually move into 2 contracts, 3 contracts, and then 5 contracts. Like one contract is 100 share. You always start with, of course, one is a prime number. Start with a one. Di ba, Paul? Di ba, Paul? Ayan. Ay, Nikhil. Nikhil, Nikhil, Nikhil. So, andito po yan. It's here, guys. These are my positions. But, I'm always looking at 733, to be honest. Options. Actually, it's stocks. Like right now, SPY is S&P 500. Ayoko ng Forex, Paul. Delikado yun. Forex is, you can't do options with Forex. That's the thing. It's just, uh, it's a simple buy and sell, and napaka for me it's too risky. Yeah, too risky. I This one is boring, but this where the money at. Okay, boring part is the boring trade, and this is exactly what most options trader do. Like, if the stocks goes boring, that's where the money is. If the stock's way too active or so volatile, well, it depends on what strategy you want to employ. Okay, there are several strategies you want to employ. Like, say for example, um, if I look at this one here, if you look at the trade and view, oh, got it, error, trade, and then view all options, you can see the builder here. These are the several strategies. The basic strategy that most people use is called long call or covered call, and the cash secured put. Both are on the bullish market. So long call, you end up paying it. Cash secured put, you end up taking the credit. So on options trading, you prefer to get the credit. Credit is where the money is. Yeah, and yeah, right. Here's the thing. Yes, right. Kaya nga, Boss Pete, parang ang bagal gumalaw. Yes, and that's where the money is. The more hindi siya gumagalaw, kasi yung strategy mo, what you're actually wanting is that you don't want your stocks, opposite ka eh. Opposite ang thinking dito sa options trading. You don't want your money to go hit a certain price. Say for example, 100. So regular buy and sell, you want to buy 100 worth of stocks or forex and then sell it at 105 and then you make profit at 5. No. Options trading is different. Uh you are going to put a range. Say, so 100, maglagay ka ng range na 95 at saka 105. If the value of the stock stays between that range, you are getting a credit. So may credit ka. Ang tawag dun parang pinaparent mo lang yung stocks mo because you have the stock, parang pinaparent mo siya, Airbnb mo yung stocks mo. As long as the market remains on that uh, um, sideways. So, gusto mo yung ganong klaseng market? Sideways na pataas, sideways na pababa, or meron ba ganun? Oh, yes, there is. Down, like a little bit trendy down, but not yung hindi yung parang may heart attack ka. You have like somebody like having a heart attack, like systolic up, diastolic down. Nope, delikado yan. That's where a lot of people actually lose so much money. Yes, yep. The question is it 105.95 at that range? As long as you're in the range, you are good. Yeah, kaya ito ang tinatawag namin dito. If you look at the strategy, vertical spreads, and I'm using this strategy here, yung mga long straddle at saka nito. So, i-combine mo to, kino-combine namin to so that you will have two caps. So, if you can see, when I make a trade, say for example, if I create a trade, like, hey, let's just make a sample trade. Let's just expose another for the sake of the trade, okay? And for another, gawa tayo ng isa. Meron tayong XSP, gawa tayo ng SPY 430. Okay. SPY, cancel. Don't cancel that, bro. SPY tayo, trade tayo. View natin, kasi i-view natin yung mga options mo. So, ang SPY, right now, let's go 30. Kasi meron na akong 29. As you can see, meron akong mga 29. So, yan, mga position ko yan for the date of the 29. But again, you can always close it anytime of that period. But for me, gusto ko lang ilagay, I just wanted to make my range at July 30, expired July 30. Gawa tayo. So, magkano ang SPY ngayon? Ang SPY ngayon is bouncing at the price of $746. Yan, nakita nyo? Yung pula. Okay. First thing that I'm going to do for the Iron Condor is make my first wing. Sell put tayo dyan. So, kita nyo, sell put. Sa taas, higher bar, may buy, sell, call, put. Okay. So, ngayon, sell put muna tayo. Hahanapin ko yung 80% na magpa-profit ako, right? No-brainer. So, eto 66%. Ang 746, may 66% ako magka-profit. 745, 68. 744, 69. Hanapin ko yung 80%. 80%. O, di ba? 80% meaning magka-profit ka. 81% pa nga eh. Mas maganda 81%. Ayan. Ito naman, delta. Delta niya is 0.22. Ayoko niyan. Ang target delta ko is 0.2. So, that's my target delta. So, where is that? Ito. Dito. See, 0.2. Hindi pa rin. Mataas pa rin. Ito kaya, 82%. Ayan, 0.2. Mukhang malapit na. 733. Magkanong delta? 0.19 at 730. Maganda yan, 730. So, lagay na ako. May nakita na ako, 730. I-click ko yan. Simple click. And then tapos buy ako. One leg lower. Ayan, para magawa ako ng wing. Parang ano. Tapos, sa taas, i-click ko naman yung call. At saka balik tayo sa price. Sell call tayo. Hanap tayo ng 80%. Hanap tayo ng 80% na magkapera tayo. Di ba maganda yung 80%, right? Or 0.2, 0.22 mataas. Ito kaya. Ayan, ayan, ayan. 83% o dito ha. Click natin to, sell call. Ayan, sell call ko na. Tapos buy call. Click ko naman yan. So, i-continue ko yan. Magkano? So, magka-credit ako. Ngayon pa lang, I already make $37. Pag execute ko pa lang nito, may $37 agad ako nito. Ayan, lagay natin kahit ganyan lang. One contract lang. That's one contract is 100 shares. Kahit isa lang ang contract, estimated credit ko. Credit meaning yan, binabayaran ka for the rest until 29. Pero ako naman, hindi na ako masyadong greedy. Pag may 20 na ako, close ko na. Matic na yun, hindi na kailangan. Okay, i-review ko na, 37, then submit ko. Boom. Order receive. Tingnan natin quantity, 01, wala pang kumuha, wala pang kumuha. Ayan, may kumuha na. Ayun, ganun lang kadali. Kumuha, may kumuha. Ayun, executed agad. Executed. Ayun, may pera na ako ng mga $37 yan or $30. Okay? Hindi ko naman kailangan abutin. I don't need to make it like a $37. I mean, making $20 for that one, wala na. So, this is not something that's identical or similar to buy and sell sa Forex. You see that? Oh, Gracie. Thank you, Gracie, for joining. I would like to say hi to Gracie SF of San Francisco. Gracie, for dropping by and joining my live today. All right. Hello, Gracie. Mwah, 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 mwah. Tanaw-tanaw pang buwang naraday sa akong likod. Ganun lang yan, mga friends. So, andito na po ang mga positions ko. I already have these positions. I have two 730s. 730 yung ano, ayan, ito yung bago, 7:30. Nakita nyo yan. Ayan, 7:30. Mga bago yan. Actually, hindi ko pa i-close yan. Bukas ko pa i-close yan. Sa next day na naman, pagkabukas naman, hanap ano man ako ng 7:31. Kung may 31 ba sa July. August 1 na siguro. Pagka next day naman, advance ako palagi ng 9 days or 2 weeks. Always advance. So, ang the idea here is that as long as I am within that ranges, for example, ang price dito 7:30. Itong 7:30, 7 July 30 position. Ito. Ang presyo ngayon is 747. Parang eroplano, no? As long as yung presyo is between 7:30 to 7:59, panalo. Panalo tayo dyan. As long as pumapalo yung presyo, hindi masyado sa taas. Kaya nga ayaw mo ng napaka malikot na trade. Wag, hindi mo kaibigan 'yan. Yung malilikot ang kamay, hindi mo kaibigan 'yan. Kalaban mo 'yan. 'Di ba? So, as long as you are within the range of 730 and 759 and the current price is 747, tingnan nyo. All right. The current price is 746. As long as you are within 730 and 759, you are making money. You are not in the money. Ang mangyayari naman, what happened is that if the price is already below 730 or higher than 759, because napaka-volatile niya, because of the volatility of the market, then you are already in the money. Kalaban mo yan. INM. In the money is your enemy. Wag ka dun sa in the money. So it's not friendly. So ganito ang options trading. This is the beauty of the options trading. You have to assign a contract for an expiration date, a certain date, and the longer the better. Actually, the longer the higher. Say isang buwan, kikita ka ng mga limpak-limpak na salapi dyan. Pero isang buwan ka nga lang maghintay. Pwede mo naman siyang i-close din kung gusto mo talaga kukunin na yung pera. You can always close it when you already are making good money or making good profit. And it's on you. It's on you. Well, the thing is that you can't be closing it if you are in the money or talo ka, negative ka. Huwag mong i-close naman yan. Nalayo pa naman ang expiration date eh. Kung sa 9 days, 5 days, pwede ka. Whether you like it or not, close it on the 5th day. May talo ka siguro pero hindi minimal lang yung talo mo. But again, I said 80% of the time you are winning because you pick that. You pick that range. You're 80% in the range for the 9 days. So lamang ka talaga. I mean, lamang ka sa tawag natin dito. Um you are on a better chance of winning the stocks or winning the trade. Ganun lang yun ang options trading. Okay? So, yeah. Klaro ba, Paul? Lali na explanation ko, no? Ayan. Ganun yan ang options trading. Kaya, popular ito. Sila yung nagpapagalaw sa ekonomiya ng US. Itong mga options trader. Gaya ko, gaya namin, ng mga options trader. Kumbaga, kumikita lang ng patingi-tingi, pero kita, hindi yung yeah. Forex naman maganda, it's traditional buy and sell. Maglilimit ka, maglilimit buy ka, lilimit sell ka. Yeah. It's also good for a start to learn um, sa forex trading. Like the best, one of the popular tool tool broker on forex trading is yung MT5. MT5 is really popular one kasi may mga robot sila, may mga AI sila. And then you can actually have the AIs or the bots trade for you. Oh, dito yes, makikita mo. Yun ang parang meron kang parang 'di ba kung magbili ka ng mga items, makikita mo yung may success rate ka sa baba, luck. So nakikita mo yung luck, kikita mo yung success rate mo na eto success rate ko 80%. So lamang na lamang ka talaga. Parang ewan ko the way I think it is that the whole entire economy made it that way so that a certain stock or an ETF is uh, going up going up at a slow pace or going up or going down either way, makikita. At saka napaka-friendly, right? Ganun lang yun. Ganun lang. So, ayan o, meron naman ako. So, ginasto ko yung 100. So, ilan na lang? 500 na lang yung yung exposure ko. Actually, bakit kaya? Dalawa ba yung ginawa ko? I think, mga pending orders, guys, itong mga tinatawag na pending orders, ito yung nilagay ko na to the point that it will hit 20%, it will automatically stop. Again, if my profit goes 20% of my credit, I'll just stop it. It just My positions held. These are the positions that I hold for today. So I have 721. This is for the day. This is zero DTE. Ito medyo makulit ito. Itong una. Diyan ang laro ko for the day. Pero to offset kung meron man akong if I lose on the 721, which is today, then I have 730, 729, several 729. Strategy ko yan. It's my strategy. You don't need to follow it. If you're an options trader, that's my strategy. But I thought my strategy works very well because, again, it made really good on my end. So that's my strategy. So, 721. That's for my today. I mean, if you can see, if we let's just check the 721. What's going on? This is today. It will expire at 2 p.m. today. Bro, I'm already on the 17%. I can close this if I want. 9. Nakakatakot. Kakainis. 9. That's what's going on. But, maaga pa naman eh. It's still 7:56. It's still 8. And, maaga pa. Need trading day for California, 7:56 at 8, but win or lose by 10 a.m. today. By 10 a.m., wala na. Kailangan, I really have to close it. I mean, if I make a little money, then good, I'll close it. If I make good money, then great, it will be closed, right? But How early? It's still too early yet. It's too early um, to close it. I'm tempted to close it actually because I already. Oh my god! It's wait, wait. It should be closed. 15, bro. 15 already. 21%. Oh, bro, I can manually close it. I can't be greedy. I can't be greedy. Cancel this order. How many is this? Cancel. Okay. And now here's the thing. Oh, okay. One, two, three. Okay, close it, bro. Close it. Review. Submit. Close, 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 close. Close, 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 close. I close it. Okay. Now how much we made from that one? How much we make? 15 bucks, 20%. See that? 21. Not bad. And I think that's good. So that's for three contracts. And I made 15. And I will close the rest of my trade of today so that I can make another 731 for tomorrow or 730 for tomorrow. I already made 730s like the July 30. What I'm trying to say is the July 30, all right? So the July 30s, I have July 29. I can close it today or I can close it tomorrow and reopen another contracts for tomorrow. Okay, and that was a good one for today, guys. So I just made a zero DTE trade and closed today in the amount of 15 bucks, and I'm happy for that. Okay, you can't be greedy again. I mean, I want to open it, but the market, I should have opened it earlier. So I need to set my clock like 1 hour early because right now, if you look at the clock really quick, guys, really quick, um, New York is already close to 11, 10:59 New York, and um, we are late. It's too late to open up a trade for zero DTE. Yes, it's good to do trade for five, I guess, five DTE or four DTE to be exact, or nine DTE. What DTE is like day to expire, a day to expire. It's good for five or nine today, but for zero DTE, we are already like 3 hours late, so I can't do it. So anyway, that's all for today, guys. As you can see, we make good money, and tomorrow I'll show you again how I'm going to close the rest of this. Or I can actually, you know what? For the sake of this live here, I'm gonna close like what is this? 729, 730, 729, 730. 730 SPY is not being put in there. $2. Nope. How about this one? 733 XXP. 10. I can close that. I can close that. 733 733 761 XSP. 733 761. I can cancel that really quick. Two legs. Okay, cancel the order. And I'm going to do 733 761. This one here. This one, 733. Let me see what's going on. I already made um close to 12 bucks for that one. Let me just and oop, there's two. Close review. Come on, submit at 0.31. Come on, do it. Close, close, close. I'm waiting for it to close. Whew. Not. It's so hard. It's not taking it. No one is taking it yet. Come on, boys. Come on, come on. Come on, take it. Uh Theta is 45, down 5. Gamma is getting up. We are scared if the gamma goes up. We are not after the gamma. Gamma is our enemy, guys. Our friend is theta. Theta, it doesn't close, man. It's so hard to close. What is going on? Average credit is like 0.437. We just want to close it at, oh man, at current price. Should I close it in the market? I should close it in the market, yeah? Bro, it's still not doing it. 0.3733. Whew. No one is taking point. No one is taking this one. Come on, take it. That's at 0.31 limit. I'm hoping somebody would take this at 733 or 761 at 0.31 cents. Please, somebody take it. Somebody buy it. Somebody take it. Somebody buy my contract. I hope. I mean, yeah. I'm hoping for somebody to buy the contract. Uh, it's probably because it's way too early. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Kakainis? No, hindi nakakainis. Nakakatuwa. Current price, tingnan natin. Ay, nako, baby. Ay, nako. Cancel natin, cancel natin. Dami kong mga cancel ah. Hindi, mga ano yan. Limit orders lang yan. 7332 Iron Condors. 12. Come on. Close ko nga to. Wala talaga oh. Walang kumukuha sa 0.31. Wala. Come on, take it. Ay, nako. Come on. Nobody will take it yet. Ayaw pa ata. A zero, zero of two. No one will take it. Okay, let's just replace the order. 0.32. Review nga natin to. Baka may kukuha nito. Oh, merong kumuha. Merong kumuha. Gagi. Okay, somebody took it. Somebody took the bait. All right. Sinker. So how much did we make for that one? How much we made? Oh, that was funny. All right, how much money did we make? $10. Hook and sinker. Hook. I like that. I like it. I like the way you do it. I like it, like it, like it. That's funny. Okay. So now I made now it's 1400. So let's do another one. Let's do another hook and sinker. Hook and sinker. Let's try another 729 right over here. This was yesterday's trade. Let's see. Oh, $3. I can't do it. No, no one. 729 is way too early. 8. Current price and 42 6. It's still small. Mm-mm. 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 That's good. So 30 bucks total that I made today. Okay. And my buying power is back again to 800 from 600 down 600. I'm back to 900 now this time. And good trade today. It was fun. So that's my I say my cushion because I'm already on 730. Oh, wait a second. Hey, 72972. Oh, oh yes. Yes, I closed it. What am I thinking? Mm-mm-mm. So maybe I can put another position for 730. Let's see. 729, 729, 730, 730. I'll put another 730 positions. Maybe um yeah, why not today? Let's make another 730 today, guys. Let's make another 730 today. Under 730 trade view all options. 730 sell put. Okay. Do. Okay, I'll put it. Mapapa oh la la. Then call. Sell call. Let's go 80%. Let's look for the 80%. Here. Ta-da! That's 79%. And buy. Ta-da! Continue. And let's see. Let's put two. Two? Really? Two? Why not? Mm-mm-mm. Let's put two contracts on that one so that I would have a credit of $80 for that. Let's review and then submit. Okay, somebody take it. Two. Somebody took it. Somebody took it. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. And I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy our options trading today. This is D Pete once again, your lobby options trader. And thank you so much for watching. And again, tomorrow we'll have an hour to do actual live trades with my option strategy. And if you are already on the third level, you might be a lot better than me because I'm just a lobby options third level trader. Good night, everyone. Good morning, everyone. And this is DP. You all have a great day ahead of you. Bye bye.